What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at Nvidia stock, guys, for the morning update. Nvidia is finally has lost that level of 824. It's happening, guys. It's happening. The way we have been talking about the technicals, the key levels, and the areas, Nvidia has been giving us all of that. Across the board, semiconductors are just flushing. I mean, look at AMD. I'm just on the right hand side. I'll take you over on these stocks later as well. Down photos. I have a short play on this. SMCI. I have an update for you guys today on this as well because I opened my short play on this again and I'm loving it. I already am like halfway through my position. A video will be coming out on SMCI as well, so you want to stay tuned on that for that as well. But in this video, let's focus on Nvidia and let's see what's been happening. You can see QQQ and SPY is also hitting our targets. So alright, so guys, before we go further, I want to let you know that none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. I'm only here providing my opinion, that's all, nothing more than that. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. Okay, so where were we with Nvidia? So this was the level, 823, that I was talking about, that this is the bottom of this distribution phase. And this distribution phase, back then with the blue box as how I was representing, from $850 to $824 to $823. And Nvidia, Morgan Stanley tried everything, push it up. Raymond James came after that as well. Someone else also came here. They couldn't do it. It's just that they were trying to push it last little bit higher so that they can sell, right? It's like pumping the liquidity somehow so that they can sell up at the top. And this is what is really sad to, once you know how the stock market works. It's really sad to see how they manipulate, new traders or people who want to buy and hold long term, and all those people start to get in, and while they're just manipulating the market. But anyways, I'm not gonna get into those theories. We're gonna do the technicals, that what we do, and let's talk through the things. Has Nvidia now opened up the doors to go down to 663? Well, next week is going to be, well, a huge week for the downside, guys, in my opinion. This is the thing. This was the level 824 to 823 that marks, guys, this marks, well, we still have to close the day below this level of 824, but this is what marks this distribution phase. This is the pinnacle that Nvidia has made, and now it's going to the downside. This is the top, confirming itself as long as we do close below 823, 824 or 823. Guys, we are $818 right now. Wow. Wow, this thing is unstoppable. Gravity has taken over this thing, guys. This thing is in the free fall. So let's go to the hourly interval. We are, well, so just on the daily interval, I want to tell you that we are below 20 and 50 days moving average now, and also below 824. Like bears have like fully taken it over. Wow, what did I do? Okay, never mind. Oh yeah, we're going to hourly interval. So yeah, bears have taken it over, guys. 100% at the, well, when I say 100%, the strength right now is in all the bears. I never want to be 100%. I am like 80 to 90%, but right now, guys, bears are in total control, So on hourly interval, what we have been saying is that, so yesterday we were talking about if Nvidia can't recapture yesterday 859, then bears will still own the control on it. And we didn't close, and we rejected at one of the levels, 850, one of the area of the distribution phase from the, as when I had this blue box up there. I'm just bringing it down because our focus is changing as well, right? So I just want to, but you can see the level that my indicator has already marked. If you need access to my tools, guys, that does all these things automatically. Links to my tools are in the description below of this video. I have 2 indicators, 2 trading bots, and Wall Street alerts, okay? So 850, we rejected there again today, and we have been just selling off in the free fall. You can see Nvidia still tried its best to hold itself above into that distribution phase at 824. A wick came today as well. Yesterday as well, very precise wick. You can see to the line, penny to penny. This is because of these demands zone that has in the past has formed here, and then the pivot here. But look at it here as well, $850, right? But then today, this is where now it's becoming a resistance as well. So you get my point that why these areas are so important to watch, and we have been watching it. And I said yesterday, it's in the bearish territory, Nvidia 80%, it's in the bearish territory. Guys, yep, this is it. This is it. Now, on intraday level, we have $746. Let's go to the 4 hours now, actually, so that we have a lot more real estate on the screen, so that I don't have to scroll past, to bring in the previous price action into picture. So let my indicator load. Here we go. Yeah. So guys, on intraday level, we have one level at 746. This previous resistance turned support after their earnings, and so yeah, there is a room that we will, well, not, I don't think today Nvidia is going to fall to 746, but it opens up the door next week to 746. We do, as I'm saying, we do still have to close below $824 level, guys. Okay, that's then we have a confirmed this distribution phase. It's already confirmed as where the price is right now, but we still want to see it close the day below 824. And guys, we have flushed. That's it, guys. That's it. Look at it. 5 minutes interval as well, real quick. There was just no coming back today, guys. No coming back. No coming back. Look at it. It's just trying to find some consolidation down there. But anyways, let's take a look at, that's why it's important that we close below 824 if you want to be bearish looking to the downside. So guys, yeah, so the reason I'm loving it and the reason I'm more being talking a little bit bearish, because that's where the play is, okay? And I'm just providing my opinion. You can go and do whatever you want to do. When things are bullish, I talked that things are bullish, right? When things are bearish, I have been taking bearish play. So when things were bullish, I was taking bullish plays. When things were bearish, I was taking bearish play. I like to trade both sides of the market. All right, so that's Nvidia for the morning update. Let's take a look at QQQ and SPY. Hit our target, guys. I told you 821. Well, I have a SQQQ position, but which is inverse of QQQ. And 421 is what was one of the levels that I talked about. We broke that. Now we are getting close to, guys, as I said, I won't be amazed if we go to 200 days moving average eventually. Look at SPY as well, selling off. I have been saying all this stuff, things will cool off. This is the distribution phase on SPY, and we have been flushing after that once we lost all these levels of distribution phase. Same with QQQ. You have been listening to me for a month saying this is a distribution phase, and we got those clear directions and we have been cooling off, making all that money. Let me show you SQQQ, the position that I have. So SQQQ, again, guys, it's an inverse. Again, this thing has already made the move. I'm partially sizing out already in the profits. But yeah, look at this great move that it's giving me. So, but anyways, shorting market is very risky. I just want to emphasize that. And it's SQQQ just limits your risk because shorting has unlimited risk, right? It's just, but hey, the move has already happened. I have been calling this out for quite some time. But right now, to me, it looks like QQQ can fall further. As I said, 200 days moving average. If it comes down there, I won't be surprised. So that's that. Guys, well, that's it for this video. Nvidia down to 818 by the time I'm just wrapping up this video. So that's that for this video, guys. Let's see how the day closes. I'll do other videos over the weekend as well and later today as well once the market has closed. A lot more videos are gonna come out on, guys, SMCI. You're gonna love this play, and you already knew it. I gave all these plays before even these plays were developing. And AMD, oh, I'm just loving my money in this, guys, the play that I have been taking. All right, I'll do other videos soon, but let me just really quickly show you just high level. Look at it, guys, look at it. And oh, SMC, I just can't wait to show you this thing. Wow, look at this thing making me money, almost there to my target as well. And where's the Broadcom? Ha, loving it, loving it, loving it. All right, I'll do other videos, guys, on these, but this is for Nvidia. Okay, with that, oh, it's about to hit 817. Oh, 817, Nvidia hit 817. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care, bye.